Hey everyone, it's Marlena Burton. So I'm having fun showing people how to leverage and pay themselves $1 a day using my recipe for full-time freedom. And so I learned how to make subliminals recently, and so I made a subliminal $1,000 a day is fun and easy, something to that effect. And so let me know your thoughts. Is this coincidence or God's plan? About 3 weeks after I made that subliminal for 1K a day, a company that I've been sharing for a couple of years actually restructured their compensation plan, which is $20. We'll just say the average is $20 a month. And they restructured from a 3x10 to a 2x15 matrix, meaning that you have to have fewer people in the matrix. So there are no health savings or income guarantees. All results vary. You have to take personal responsibility. You know, you might potentially earn nothing. So anyway, they restructured, so it's going to take fewer people. And so working the plan for 2x15, there's a potential 39K monthly that's possible. And so guys, let me know in the comments if you think that's coincidence or God's plan. And so I'm not really sure I know what it is actually. You see, our programming is holding us back. You see, a robot is non-functional without a program. And so we literally come here without any programs, and we take on other people's programs. So all we really have to do is consider that it's a possibility with God, okay? And guys, God is already created everything, and so we really don't have that much to do. So let's connect. My number is 618-223-6006, and let me know if you think that's a coincidence or God's plan that I made the subliminal, and then here this company literally changes their compensation plan. So have an amazing day. I appreciate you. I wish you and your family all the love, joy, peace, and abundance beyond belief. Have an amazing day. Peace out. God's best.